In Chinese medicine, there's a guiding principle for living well: nourish life in harmony with the season. The old texts put it beautifully: we are born of the qi of heaven and earth and shaped by the laws of the four seasons. As the seasons turn, everything living turns with them, and so do we. Summer belongs to the element of fire. It's the season when yang energy is at its peak, both in the world and in us. And because so much of our vitality runs on yang, summer is the ideal time to support it. You get more return for less effort. But here's the thing most people miss. Before you rush to build up your yang this summer, there's a step that comes first: nourish the heart. In Chinese medicine, summer connects to the heart, and in the heat of summer, yang energy rushes to the surface of the body, which can leave things a little empty within. If the heart's energy is weak, it can't anchor and lift all that yang properly, and things go out of balance. So the wisdom is simple: settle and nourish the heart first. Once the heart's energy is full, the yang you build on top of it sits right. It doesn't flare into excess heat, and it doesn't collapse into cold. I'm Jimmy. Today, before the hottest stretch of summer arrives, I'll show you 3 gentle ways to care for your heart, 2 points on the hand, and 1 calming bowl. Let's begin. The self-check, heart fire. Let's start by noticing something. Have you ever had this experience? The weather warms up just a little, and you already can't stand it, you're uncomfortable in the heat, but you ask the people around you, and nobody else feels it the way you do. Maybe you've also noticed your tongue looking quite red, or you get those little mouth ulcers from time to time. Perhaps your hands and feet feel hot, and at night you keep kicking the covers off. You feel restless, a bit agitated, and oddly bothered by the warmth. In Chinese medicine, these are classic signs of what's called heart fire, a kind of excess heat connected to the heart system. It's especially common in summer, when the season's own fire adds to our own. The good news is there's a wonderful point for gently clearing this kind of heat, and it's right in the palm of your hand. Point 1. Shao Fu, clearing heart fire. The point is called Shao Fu. When it comes to gently clearing heart fire, it's one of the first choices in classical practice. Here's the thinking. In the system of channel points, there's a category called the yin spring points, and there's a classical saying that these points govern heat in the body. Shao Fu is the yin spring point of the heart channel, so it's particularly suited to gently cooling that restless, overheated, agitated feeling connected to the heart. The hot palms, the kicking off the covers at night, the heat you can't quite settle. Finding it is lovely and simple. Relax your hand, then curl your fingers into a loose, gentle fist. Look where the tip of your little finger lands on your palm. That spot is Shao Fu. Once you've found it, press with the thumb of your other hand, press and release until you feel a mild, sore, slightly numb sensation. About 5 minutes is ideal, alternating between the left and right hands. Done regularly, many people find their heart fire settles, the restlessness eases, the heat-related breakouts calm down, and sleep comes more easily. You move through the summer feeling more balanced and more rested. And here's a lovely detail of timing. The best window to care for the heart is around midday, roughly 11 to 1. In the Chinese medicine body clock, this is when the heart channel is most active, so working the point then is thought to give the gentlest, fullest support. Before the second point, let me pause, because trouble in summer isn't one single thing, and this matters a great deal for what you should actually do. Take something as common as not sleeping well in the heat. 3 people can have the very same complaint, lying awake, restless, hot, for 3 completely different reasons. For some, it really is heart fire, that excess heat we just talked about. Red tongue, mouth ulcers, hot palms, agitation. This body needs gentle clearing and cooling, like the Shao Fu point we just did. For others, it's not excess at all. It's heart qi weakness. The energy is simply low. They feel worn out, their spirit flags, they can't settle. This body needs nourishing and strengthening, and trying to clear heat from an already depleted body just leaves them more tired. And for others still, it's Heart Yin Deficiency, running warm and dry rather than truly overheated. Night sweats, a parched restlessness, waking in the small hours. This body needs nourishing and moistening, never harsh cooling, which would dry it out further. Same sleepless summer night, 3 different routes, 3 nearly opposite approaches. Clear one, build one, nourish one. Use the wrong one, and you can deepen the very problem you're trying to solve. This is exactly why I built a 3-minute assessment at identifytcm.com. 29 gentle questions, and it tells you which of the 9 TCM body types you are, whether your heart runs hot, depleted, or dry, then builds a daily plan around your type, your age, where you live, and the season. Now, the second point is for the other side of summer restlessness, when you lie down at night and just can't tired. As we said, this isn't always heart fire. Very often it's the heart's energy running low and the spirit becoming unsettled. For this, we use a beautiful point on the wrist called Shen Men, which means spirit gate. It's exactly that, the gateway to a settled, peaceful mind. As the source point of the heart channel, it's especially good for soothing a restless heart and easing the kind of insomnia that comes from an unsettled spirit, whether from too much heat or from the heart and its blood running low. It gently supports the heart's energy and calms the mind. To find it, stretch out your hand, palm up. Follow down from the little finger side of the hand to the wrist crease. Right there in the hollow at the wrist, on the little finger side, is Shen Men. Press it with your thumb and knead gently in slow clockwise circles for about 3 minutes until you feel a soft, sore sensation. Do it before bed or around midday. Many people describe the restless feeling being soothed away, like a cool breeze quieting the mind, the agitation settling, the head clearing, and sleep arriving gently. A few quiet minutes at the wrist, easing into rest. The Calming Porridge. Beyond the points, there's a lovely way to nourish the heart through food in summer, and it centers on 2 gentle ingredients, red beans and lotus seeds. Red beans, the small adzuki kind, were called the grain of the heart by the great physician Li Shizhen. In Chinese medicine, they are valued for 2 things at once: gently nourishing the heart's blood and helping clear heat. The way they clear heat is elegant. They help drain damp heat out through the heart channel, and as the dampness clears, the heat settles down with it. Lotus seeds are the perfect partner. They're treasured for nourishing the heart and calming the spirit, while also supporting the spleen. For nourishing the heart in summer, you could hardly choose better. So here's a simple calming porridge: red bean and lotus seed with a touch of chenpi, dried tangerine peel. Soak a portion of red beans for about 2 hours beforehand. Prepare a small handful of lotus seeds and soak and finely slice a little chenpi. Add everything to the pot with water, a little less if you're using a pressure cooker, more if it's a regular pot. Bring it to a boil, then turn the heat low and let it simmer gently. When the red beans begin to soften and break down, you can add a little rock sugar to taste. Keep it modest, then turn off the heat and let it sit and soften a little more. The red beans strengthen the spleen and nourish the blood. The lotus seeds calm the heart, and the chenpi adds a bright, awakening fragrance and keeps the dish from feeling heavy or cloying. A warm bowl that nourishes the heart and eases that summer tiredness. A clear note before we close: everything today is gentle, everyday self-care grounded in classical Chinese medicine for moving through summer in better balance. It is not a medical treatment, and it doesn't replace medical care. If you have ongoing trouble sleeping, persistent heart palpitations, chest discomfort, or any symptom that worries you, please don't simply put it down to summer heat. See a physician for a proper evaluation. Anything involving the chest or the heartbeat deserves a careful check. If you're pregnant, managing a health condition, or taking medication, please check with your healthcare provider before adding new foods or routines. So, as summer's fire rises, remember to nourish the heart first. Shao Fu in the palm to cool a restless heat. Shen Men at the wrist to settle the spirit and ease into sleep. And a warm bowl of red bean and lotus seed porridge to nourish the heart from within. Care for the heart first, and the summer sits more gently on you. And if you'd like to know whether your heart runs hot, depleted or dry, and exactly how to care for it, identifycom.com will map your constitution in 3 minutes. I'm Jimmy. Let's keep sharing the beauty of Chinese medicine. See you next time.